hands-on session, resource person, Mr. Mohammad Shahid, Division Engineer at NAC Electronics Private Limited from Delhi. Um, he's currently working on FinFET-based memory design. I'm very happy to invite him. I think we have any queries regarding installation of HSpace or how to make the digital circuit using HSpace. You can get the very good info from Mr. Shahid. Yes, Shahid, you can start, sir. Shahid, it's not nice, it's coming.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Sir, wait a minute, sir. I am
Yeah,
starting in just a 1 minute.
yeah. Sir, மட்டும் அனுப்பிடுங்களா அதை உங்களுக்கு?
Hello, sir. My screen is visible.
No, it's not visible.
Oh.
Have you shared your screen?
Hello.
Yes, Shahid, we can hear you.
Now it's visible, sir.
No, I couldn't see.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Uh,
Right, Susan.
Good afternoon, all. Today our topic is design of the basic digital circuit using FinFET HSpice hands-on season. This is basically this season. This session is based on the lab season. It's not about the theory. Uh, we will uh, we will do in this season in the basic HSpice, inverter circuit, delay, average power, variation in power supply, variation in temperature, variation in load capacitance. We will see the effect, all these effect on the inverter circuits. Uh, our circuitry is based on the FinFET. So FinFET is the now one of the dominating device in market. FinFET are non-planar transistor built on the SOIC substrate. FinFET describes fin-based multi-gate transistor. It's developed by the Cheming Hu, 2021.
Sir, can you please
The,
make it full screen?
okay. Now it is on full screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In sim, in planar CMOS device, the channel is horizontally, while in FinFET, the channel is vertical. The width of the FinFET is depend on the height of the fin. So the channel width is equal to the 2 into height of fin plus thickness of the fin. But actually, the most important question is why we need the FinFETs. Because we have already the CMOS and MOSFET technology. As the device size shrinking in the lower technology, the lower technology, the lost of short channel effect and DIBL DIBL will be affected on over transistor. So now we starting the HSpice. The HSpice is the basically the SPICE software for analysis of the transistor level circuitry. HSpice simulation has three primary steps: generating the netlist of the file, running the simulation, displaying analysis, and printing the simulation. In this scenario, I will carry out these three steps for implementing of the FinFET based transistors. File generation. The netlist file is made up the statement of the SPICE file is case sensitive except file name. For adding the model file, we commonly we use the dot include or dot lib statement. Star is used for the comment. The file structure HSpice netlist structure is like that. First of all, first line always will be the title of the netlist, and after that we use the circuitry or any options in the netlist, like a sub circuit. After that we define the device model. After that analysis and output, printing the output and extract the output from the netlist. Uh, dot end is required to the stop for our netlist. So now we are starting the lab session. In the circuitry, first line first line always be the title of the our circuit, like this, the inverter circuit. And after that, the dot protect command. It is in dot protect and dot unprot command will be the note. It will be note shows the parameters of the our library or our model file in the output. After that, I define the temperature. It is the nominal temperature 25. After that, in the parameter fin height, fin width, and length of the channel. After that, supply voltage I defined also. The inverter circuit yeah, this is the inverter circuit. This is the inverter circuit. In uh, in VDD side we take the PMOS, and ground side we take the is interconnected with input, and the board and load capacitance is connected with the output and ground. In the this is the FinFET. This is also as the CMOS netlist, like and it shows the transistors like a MOSFET or FinFET, same like a CMOS. After that, drain, gate, source, and body. This is the structure of the defining any transistor FinFET, same as a CMOS. So in the in our inverter M1 is the PMOS and M2 is the NMOS. So PMOS, the first M1 and M2 drain is connected with each other. The over PMOS and NMOS drain is connected each other. After that, the gate of the NMOS and PMOS is connected with each other like this. The in one and in. PMOS source is connected. PMOS source and body is connected to the VDD, and the NMOS is connected to the ground. This is our inverter FinFET based inverter circuitry. After that, I applied the supply voltage on the inverter circuit. The supply the voltage declaration is the voltage we use always V, and after that the positive voltage and ground or negative to go in the supply. After that, the value of DC, we can use directly value of 0.7, or if we define the if we define the form in the parameter, so we can use the parameter like DC, AC, and which you want. Yes. Hello, I am audible, sir.
Yes, sir, you
Yes,
are audible.
You are audible.
Yes, sir, you
After
are
that,
audible.
After that, I connected connected the load cap.
Hello.
No voice. Hello.
Hello.
Shahid, your voice is not audible.
Sir. Actually, 2:30, right, sir? Session will start.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shahid, your voice is not audible.
No audio.
Yeah, participant, please. I'll check with the result.
ಯಾರು?
Hello, Shahid, are you there?
Hello.
Shahid, your voice is audible. Yeah. But the presentation is not there. You share your screen.
It's visible, sir.
Not it, but your voice. Hi, you trying now?
Sir, I am trying to connect with my laptop. I think network is bad here. Sir, give the permission to share the screen, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, give me the permission to share the screen.
Already I have given.
No, sir. Another one.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Sorry for disturbance. Yeah. We are talking about the transient analysis. In transient analysis is defined as the dot tran and starting time and the stop time. We can change as we are required. Dot measure command the measuring the any parameter in the circuitry like average power, delay, rise time, fall time, anything you want to measure. You can use the dot measure command or measure command. In this session we will find the average power, propagational delay, average propagational delay, and fall time. Basic circuitry in HSpice, and we will see the results. Apply this input and we get this output. Input and the red is denoted for output. In the we are only seeing the input and output waveform. The our circuitry is working fine. Now we will check the over parameters we are measuring. So basically we didn't vary anything like a temperature, load capacitance, or power supply in variation. So we are going to see the Over result will be, you will be find the your result in inverter dot list file. Dot all results will be in this extensions. So over average power, we get the over average power is 696 nanowatt, and the delay is 70 pico, and fall delay is 63 pico, and the average delay is, I define the TPD is average delay. The average delay this is the average delay. Average delay is the average delay is the average delay is the rise delay and the fall delay divided by 2 plus divide by 2. The average delay we will get. For the how I find the average delay. The average delay we trigger over input pulse is when input pulse is 7 supply voltage divided by 2, and that means the VDD by 2. The in this condition the over for input waveform, the for input waveform for when input waveform is going to fall, the output waveform will be the rise. So we will find we are finding from the fall is equal to 1, and the rise is equal to when over we will understand why the waveform. In this waveform, when we are rising, the output of the inverter gate is going low. So for finding the rise delay, we use this command, and the rise time, we will find the rise time to 20% of the output, and the between the 20 to 80% output pulse when is going to rise. We will find the rise time. Like this, the same is fall time. Fall time will be the 80 to 20% of the falling wave of the output. The print command is used for the printing the transient input and output waveform. Now we are now we will see the effect of the variation in the supply voltage. When we are vary the supply voltage, the delay and average power will be the change also. So we are applying that supply. We will change the supply voltage. So I use the sweep command in the supply voltage. That means the where we start. After that, the supply voltage. After that, we define the where I should to start start point, stop point, 0.7, my stop point, and the 0.1 is the step size of the over measurements. So I saved the file, and after that I started the again simulation. So now we are finding the results. Result files, we to dot list file. Dot list file is containing all related to it. Now we are, this is 0.2 volt. At this 31 nano watt. That time when I am applying, when I was applied to the 0.7, that time I go to the around the 700 nano. Rise delay, fall delay is increases. After that I applied to after that this thing applied to 0.1, 0.3. 0.3 is showing this, it's getting the going to high, and the delay is delay will be reduced, and the power will be increased. And these results are on 0.4 volt. Our circuitry is based on the FinFET 7 nanometer technology. These results are the power, rise time, fall time, or rise delay is going to low as compared to 0.4. Same like this, we are going this for this is these results are fine. These results are for 0.5 volt. These results are going to 0.6 volt, and these results are the 0.7 volt. At 0.7 volt, at 0.7 volt is the 7 nano watt, and the point two at 0.231 nanowatt. It is the difference. We can use the FinFET in the lower voltage, but when we are going to using the lower side of the voltage, the delay will be the increase. That means the speed of the over circuitry will be reduced. But when we are required only low power, then we are going to using losing the low voltage side. This is the variation in the voltage, supply voltage. Now we are going to we find the average power. We did supply voltage. Now we are going to the variation in the supply, variation in the temperature. In same case, we will sweep temperature parameter to now we are starting from the 10 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Step is the 10 degree. Step is the 10 degree. So now we are starting, and we will see also the waveform also it. and the output. Over out yellow is the input. I am hiding the input because we are finding we will show the effect of the temperature in the output side. You will be see 10 degree and 150 the variation in the fall and the fall time, delay time, rise time. It will the variation you will be find. This waveform is showing the inverter circuitry temperature effect. I will show the results of the temperature in again. I will open the list file, and after that I will when the over these are the result at the 10 degrees Celsius. All results are 10 degrees Celsius, and these results are on the 20 degrees Celsius. 10 degree and 20 degrees Celsius. All results are varying at the when the temperature is rising, but at the temperature is rising on the 30 degree, it is the minor changes in the circuitry. But when the circuitry is going to heat it is the going to be more critical. If the over circuitry when the over circuitry is heating, the power is also the power dissipation is the will be the high. This is the effect. These parameters on the variation effect in the temperature. These all are in the variation effect on the temperature. This is the last one is the load variation. Load variation. In the load variation, I will apply. I will change the capacitance value on the load side. So same in the same. I will use the command for the load. C load. That means overload is connected to the output and the ground. That is over 10 femto. Load where I want to start from 5 femto to 25. The step size is 5. This is the similar as the temperature and supply voltage. These are the result on the different capacitance value of at the load. When we apply the 10 femto at the 5 femto in starting point is over the 5 femto in the delay. These results are the showing the load capacitance variation in the circuitry. Any question regarding to this? You can ask.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So, in your program, you have defined PMOS and NMOS. Here, you have taken N pin is equal to 1. So, what is meaning of N pin equal to 1 here?
This is the number of pins in the FinFET transistors.
So, one pin means what is? It has only one pin, or transistor has only one pin. It means.
Yes, sir. It's
So
having only
suppose
one pin. Yeah, we can. If you want to vary the pin in your simulation, you can vary from the 1 to as you want, like a 10, 20. But when you are increasing the pin, the size, the channel width also increase. Because in starting I show the formula for the channel length. This is the formula for the channel length, channel width. So sorry, this is the formula. Thickness of the pin, height of the pin, n is the number of pin
number of
you will be
pins.
get.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I take tri-gate transistor. So what should I write at this place? N pin equal to.
Yeah, sir. Simply in our circuitry, I connected to the input side at the gate. So I will define the G1, G2, and G3. If you are using the if you are using in the tri-gate or
So three
transistor.
gates. I will have to
Yes.
define three gates: G1, G2, and G3.
Yeah. G3.
In this example, you have taken only one gate.
Single gate. Only
Uh,
single gate.
M1 V out, in, and VDD. Yes. So in is
Yeah.
connected to gate. So
Yes.
can you take any example of just on your PPT? Can you please explain how to define a tri-gate or a double gate transistor? G1, G2.
Basically, I am working on the single gate FinFET technology.
Okay. Okay.
So I will not clear on at this point.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, from where we can get the model file of FinFET?
Yes, yeah, ma'am. You can get the FinFET. This is the
இப்பவே எனக்கு அந்த
model
ஷாகிலோட
file.
ஸ்க்ரீன் தெரியல சார் ஷாகிலோட
What, sir?
ஸ்க்ரீன் தெரியல ஸ்க்ரீன் தெரியல இப்பதான் வருது
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is not.
Sir, I was asking about the model file. Can you
Yeah,
please?
you can. Yes, yeah, you can download the model file from this website, PTM model website. And this is ptm.asu.edu. You can download from this. These are the
Your screen is
FinFET
not
and
visible.
the screen is
Sir,
not
the
visible.
screen is not
Yeah, now
visible.
it's not
Screen is not
Okay.
visible.
Okay. Hello, sir, give me the permission to
అంతేలే
share
అమ్మా,
the screen.
నీకు ఏదో ఒకరు తెలియకపోతుంది. నేనేదో అదే సాయంత్రం వరకే తెలుస్తుంది నాకు. ఆ.
Screen, sir.
సంవత్సరం కాలేదు సార్.
Sir, another one, sir.
Yeah, I am here. Now you can check.
Well, now, hello.
Yeah,
It's visible.
coming. Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. If you want to download the model file, you can download from the ptm.asu.edu. This is the website for PTM model file.
Sir, tell me one, sir.
So I am audible.
You're audible, sir. Tell me once.
Hello.
So, Shakti, you put on the chat box. Hello? Yeah, we can hear you. Dear participants, otherwise, after the end of the session, I'll share this.
Spice is the highly accurate. It is the somebody asked is about the NG Spice and H Spice. H Spice the highly accuracy simulator, but is the NG Spice is the NG Spice is the open source and H industrial purpose also H Spice for predict the Hello, sir. Anyone
Yeah,
have your
audible.
question? If you not have, I should.
Participants, anybody, right now, anybody is trying to do the simulation, or you are facing any problem, or you have any doubts on this? You can raise your question.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Myself, Rupam Das.
Yes, sir. Bata.
Sir, myself, Rupam Das from
You are
Asansol
audible.
Engineering. Yes, sir. Myself, Rupam Das from Asansol Engineering College. Sir, just I want to know, sir, through HSpice, can we do the total simulation by making the circuit in schematically way? That means by through schematic I design the total circuit and then simulate and getting the result. Is it possible, or
Yeah,
either we have we
yeah.
have to write the whole code and then simulate it?
No, you can simulate it by the creating the netlist. It is not a schematic based software. If you're using the Cadence Virtuoso, you will be get the you will have the option to use the schematic option. But there in Cadence software you will be get HSpice and Spectre simulator. But that is the same thing. Netlist will be generated also by the your Cadence software. But if you want to simulate any circuitry, you should create a netlist of the any circuit, and you can find the results.
Okay, sir. And through HSpice, can we do the layout design?
No, no, it's not based on the layout. It is only for simulation purpose.
Okay, sir. Acha. Another more important question. In the shared screen, I have found some of the model parameters are there, just like 7 nanometer, 10 nanometer. Is this model parameter can be used in PSpice? Because
PSpice, you can. I have not a good idea about the PSpice, but the PSpice is the same working as a same simulator. If you define the all parameters as your requirement, the result will be get like a similar.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
So how to get the reliability of the particular circuit using HSpice?
Reliability of the circuitry. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, yes, sir. You're audible.
What's your question?
So the circuit that you have shown, that is a inverter circuit using FinFET. So if I want to determine the reliability of the particular circuit, what is to be done in case of the HSpice? Can it be done directly using any command?
Yeah, you can apply the DC analysis for the finding the noise margin of the circuitry. It will be show the reliability of the circuitry. It will be used for the DC analysis.
Is it possible to include the Monte Carlo simulation in case of this HSpice?
Yeah, it is possible to use to Monte Carlo analysis also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, can you please share some of the study material which is based on HSpice command? Because whatever I have found in the net, no specific netlist or command that is not been available in the net. So if you have, it would be very much kind for to all of us. So if you share some of the material, that means I just want to know the basic commands. Suppose that I want to do the DC analysis, transient analysis, noise, or whatever the madam is saying, keep Monte Carlo analysis. So whether we are going to do this type of simulation, we need some command. So if it is available to you, can it be possible to share with us?
Yeah, I will share with Doctor Sir. I will share. He will share all of them.
Okay,
and
sir.
the
Okay.
mail ID of him.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So you have written LG is equal to 11 nanometer. So
Yeah.
this FinFET is its channel length is 11 or 7 nanometer. You told it is
7 nanometer, but is the effective channel length. It is not exact channel length.
So how should I take LG is equal, on what basis we have taken this LG is equal to 11 nanometer?
Yes, sir. This is including the parameter files you will when you will download on the PTM library. And now you can see the on my screen.
Yes.
It is visible.
Yes,
for you will be find the 7 nanometer. 7 nanometer is the last one. Now you can see the VDD parameters. So VDD parameters, the nominal voltage of this
0.7,
transistor,
yes.
0.7, pin height, and pin width, and the effective channel length.
It is 11.
Yeah, it is predefined by the PTM model file.
So this is given in that model file.
Yeah, it is given in model file.
So accordingly, we have to we will have to take LG score to 11 nanometer.
Yeah, I took the same as a model 5.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Can I go, sir? Can I leave the meeting, sir?
Shahid, yeah, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Arun, you have any more question?
If you have any question regarding to this, you can ask. Otherwise,
No more questions, right?
okay.
Regarding this session. No. Shahid, thank you so much. It is very helpful for your valuable information. Really, it
Thank
will
you,
be
sir.
helpful for the researchers.
Thank you,
so
sir,
much.
for inviting me.
Ah.
It is the good opportunity to talking you and the students of community. I am very happy
Yeah.
to take this session.
Yeah.
I don't know
Thank
how
you so
much it will be usable for them, but it is good to know they are trying to learn about the
Okay,
H spice and other things.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Shahid.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Dear participants, suppose you are not you can't do the session as a hands-on, means we explained everything and we done the simulation in the system. Suppose you try to complete your HPI simulation and HPI installation today itself. Because tomorrow also we have the HPI based simulation. So tomorrow a little bit change. Tomorrow afternoon we have the
Yes, sir.
HPI based. Yes, sir. So CNC based simulation we will do tomorrow.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
My voice is not clear.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not clear.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not clear.
Now,
Now it is clear, sir.
Now, okay, sir.
nothing I done. Yeah, thank you. Okay, fine. So I'm requesting you, suppose you try to complete your installation today. Tomorrow definitely we'll have as a hands-on session. I just take a CNC based circuit. I will simulate the basic gates and I try to make a S transfer using CNC bit. Okay, so we'll have a hands-on on CNC bit. Can we? It's not clear. Everyone facing the same problem. Yeah, I put the instruction what for you. Am I audible? No, am I audible? No.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Yeah, fine. Let me increase my volume. It would be the problem. Am I audible? No.
Yes, yes, sir.
Audible, but no. Yes. Okay. Join again, sir. Yeah, definitely I'll go. And it is my request. Am I audible now? Please, anyone can you respond? Am I audible or it's not audible?
Sir, you are audible, but your
It's
voice
audible.
is not clear. Your voice is very much low. That is the thing. You are audible, sir.
Just a minute. I'll come back. I'll join you. Yeah, am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
are audible.
Hello.
Sir, you are audible.
Okay.
ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes. So I have requested Monica ma'am to join as an examiner as Prasanna sir is busy. So she will be the examiner for this batch.
Hello? Hello? Is there anyone? Hello?
Hello. Participants, see, the aim of program is learning something. If you don't follow the read feedback form, continuously you are sending many messages. I will be responding for your messages every time. Okay, you stop all the messages. Definitely, you are attending the program and you are interested for the program. They get the certificate. And don't think that the program is for completed. Today, I arranged this program very rapidly. This I know in fact, I was waiting for around some 8 years. Actually, I got the target contact. Okay, so my aim is after the end of this program, you should know how to work on FinFET, how to work on PNFET, how to work on cadence. These things you should know. This is the aim of the program. Okay. Other than that, you will get your feedback form and you will get your attendance. All the things will be there. Continuously you are making question on these things, which is it is the third part of the program. The aim of the program is learning something. Is it okay?
Yes, sir, it is okay. Sir, if possible, can you please share the video of the session? Is it possible? Then please share.
Yeah, thank
Then
you.
that will
We
be
can share
very much
the
helpful.
WhatsApp group. If you have any doubts, otherwise no problem. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you so much.